Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. Due to illness and horrific weather, I have not been able to keep up with my tutorial and video duties. So, we have a nice day today, and I have gotten several requests to show what my fairy garden looks like now. Well, after a whole week of rain and not being able to get outside, and the weeds and all my flowers and my mint has just totally taken over, plus somehow we ended up with a pumpkin patch in the middle, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to let you see exactly what it looks like now. So, I really am sorry. I promise I will do better. I will try to get back on track, so to speak. And I really want you to know I appreciate those of you that have stuck by me day in and day out, and messes, fails, and squeaky annoying voice. So, let's go outside. I'm going to show you the overgrown, totally chaotic fairy garden, and I promise we will see each other soon. So, you have a great week.